people majority of the times fail in AFSAC, and AFSAC is crazy stressful.
Hello guys, good afternoon. आज हम जा रहे हैं कोलकाता. Today basically what is going to happen is I am going to be operating one sector Bombay Kolkata with a set of Kolkata crew जिसका मैं आपको update दूंगी. I'm basically going to give you gossip and then I have like a 2-hour halt and I am going to deadhead back to Bombay. Wish me luck, wish me luck, wish me luck. I'm scared. Oh, something is in my... But I look pretty. I look so pretty. Oh my god. Sun, kiss me. Right now I'm seeing my brother and my dog. Ronald. Rover. Small little goddamn break to see reading books. What? क्या बोल रही gibberish? इधर आई हूँ मैं break. The fuck was I supposed to say? We came to the store. I mean, actually, we just came to Cross. But I saw a book, so I wanted to take it. But now she's like, you get this more sasta. So why do I waste my money also?
This in Amazon, it's 194 and it's 300 here. Why should I pay?
You know what? Never mind.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
मैंने मेरे क्रू को अलविदा बोल चुकी हूँ.
यार मेकअप कितना अच्छा लग रहा है.
I'm sitting on 10F. Okay, window. व्यू दूंगी तुम लोगों को व्यू.
So guys, मैं बैठे बैठे बोर हो गई तो मैंने जर्नलिंग करना चालू कर दिया. कुछ टाइम बाद इतना पानी पीकर मुझे सुसु आ गई. मैं गई उधर में. मैंने ऐसे दिखाया कि मैंने बहुत काम किया, घंटा कुछ किया मैंने उधर जाके. ठीक है. फिर मैं गई वापस कैबिन में दिखाने के लिए कैबिन कितना प्यारा लग रहा है जब कोई पैसेंजर टुम टुम नहीं बजा रहा है. फिर आया हमारा वेदर. भाई क्या वेदर था बॉम्बे में, मैं तो डर गई. मैंने कभी आज तक ऐसा व्यू नहीं देखा. अभी समझ में आता पैसेंजर्स की क्यों फटती है. एनीवेज बट मैं घर आ गई. और फिर मैंने कैब में बैठी क्योंकि मुझे जल्दी जल्दी कैब मिल गई. अब मैं घर जाऊंगी, मेरे कुत्ते से मिलूंगी, जिंदगी जीऊंगी और क्या मैं नहीं तो कौन बे.
Guys, I came home and see who decided to show up. I remove my camera. This guy has. Okay, sorry. Can I get a paw? Can I get a paw? Oh my god, thank you.
2 hours later.
I just ate my food and now I'll quickly get my skincare done because yeah, let's have a chat. Okay. I've never spoke about getting relegated in Indigo, so let's talk about that. People majority of the times fail in AFSAC, and AFSAC is crazy stressful. Oh fuck. Never mind. In Indigo, whenever you give an exam, so every module has an exam. For example, first aid has an exam. It has a viva and a written test. MCQs, which is easy, but you have to score a 90. If you don't score a 90, you fail, and if you fail, you get relegated directly. And when I say relegated, I mean you have to go a grade, like you have to degrade yourself and wait for a month till you get another particular batch. It's okay to fail. It's okay to fail. It's fine. The only thing that matters after you fail is how you get up. Get back up on your own 2 feet and like do whatever you have to do because it is what it is. I know at that situation you're just like everybody is passing and what about me? If I would have taken that thing seriously, I would have been there today with them, like passing out with them and flying as soon as possible. Yeah, I'll just say, guys, I love you guys, okay? And seeing you guys depressed and coming and telling me that you guys got relegated and it's really depressing and it feels like the end of the world. Come on, yeah, it's okay. I got you. You got me. You gotta talk to somebody. I am here. I understand you. And I want to know everything. If you are not feeling okay, you're not feeling okay. It's okay. It's okay to not feel okay. I know, I completely understand your point. If you want to talk, you want to feel motivated, call me. What if like you get relegated, you go back home, your parents are not, your parents love you, they are not disappointed with you, they will always love you no matter what. You guys are amazing just the way you are, and just because of an AFSAC failure, you're not going to be the worst person on earth.
Another day, another slave. Period.
You girls got it. You girls are so strong. You have been there, been through so much. If you fail, it's okay. If you fail, it's okay. I'm stressing over this so much because I see it in their eyes. I see when I talk to them and I meet them in person. See them sitting in front of me. I know how sad it feels, you know. I've been there. I've been relegated because of AFSAT too. I waited for quite a while. Trust me, I felt sick. I came back home. I went back to Delhi because I got my batch and everything. It was very crazy. Staying in Gurgaon.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're
Living
fine
hell.
when you're not really fine.
Okay, bye you guys. I will go to sleep and then I'm going to meet a friend.
I didn't even have time to do makeup. Look at my eyes. So guys, I finally bana liya. Say hi, Doro. Hey, hi guys. We're back. Did you miss us? Yeah, wow. Look at my hair, yaar. It's like, I look taklif. I'm using hair. I thought you're using hair, and I was like, using hair? What do you mean? By the way, this is from Evara. I have no idea where it's from. Evara. Fine. Wait, now is my hair okay? I don't think so. My hair is okay. You know what? थोड़ा सा मेरा hair clip कहाँ चला गया? नहीं बना दो please. Guys, we're packed our meals. Meals बोल रही हूँ. अंधेरा देखो, अंधेरा. मेरा जूता देखो, so clean ची. Wait, let me. And if we come ugly, that's your fault, not ours. Period. I have no idea. भाई नीचे आ गया तब हम देख रहे इसको. अरे how high is it? Oh my god, it's quite high.